It's been a great experience here. I've grown so much. I came in as a homeless drug addict, on and off the streets, in and out of jails, institutions, and I've been to previous treatment centers in the past, which have never gave me a feeling that I had here. More of they have a family feeling here, and that's what I really needed. Out on the streets, you have nobody. As an addict or an alcoholic, you have nobody. And even if you do have people around you, they're usually negative people. Coming here and having a new experience on the environment of which people, it just changes your whole perspective on everything and about recovery. Now I am like changing. I was surprised how loving they are and how caring they are. Just giving me a hug as soon as I walked in, it's like uncomfortable and you're like, what are you, like what? You know? And I was just like, whoa, like, why are you hugging me? You don't even know me, I stink. I just came off the streets. And then I realized after a couple of days, they're just checking up on me, keeping in contact with me. It's just like these people do care, and I shouldn't push them away, because if I do push them away, then I'm just hurting myself. Parents, siblings, friends. Even here when I did first get here, it was kind of hard to trust people. So gaining more things and more relationships, it's just like building on what I didn't have, and it makes me scared to lose it all. So it's not even worth it. That feeling was fear, just scared. My only advice is be ready. You know, you gotta want it. If you don't want it, you're not gonna get it. So don't drag yourself down into the pits of hell trying to climb out. If you know you're struggling, if you can identify that, then take that first step.